How to check your Popeyes gift card balance online. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, go to the gift card page in your Popeyes. Scroll down and at the bottom you will find check gift balance. Click on check gift balance in here. After you've clicked on check gift balance, it will lead you to this page. Here, you will need to add your 16-digit gift card number. After you've added your 16-digit gift card number, add your email address. After you have added your email address, click on I am not a robot at the bottom. After you do this, you can scroll down to the bottom and you'll find track option or check balance. Click on check balance, and after you do this, you're good to go. This is how to check your Popeyes gift card balance online. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.